Learn 3 lucrative methods of using online arbitrage to make money and build a business. People are doing even multiple 5 figures per month using the power of arbitrage. In this course you will learn 3 easy methods to start your own online arbitrage business today without actually having to invest any money at all. Know what arbitrage is and how to make money with arbitrage. Be able to apply 3 easy and efficient methods of online arbitrage. Get started with online arbitrage and build an online business. Know what marketplaces to use for online arbitrage. Know the tips and tricks to maximize results and optimize their businesses. No prior experience or special equipment is needed.